Going in for the first kiss can be nerve-wracking, but here are some steps that might help you. Read the cues. Observe her body language to see if she is receptive to the idea of being kissed. If she seems nervous, tense, or uninterested, it may be best to wait for another time. Create intimacy. Move closer to her and engage in activities that create intimacy, such as cuddling, holding hands, whispering in her ear. This can help gauge her comfort level with closeness. Build anticipation. Slow things down and build up the moment. Look into her eyes and smile. Brush her hair away from her face, or give her a compliment. Be confident. Confidence is key when it comes to kissing. Don't hesitate or overthink the moment. Just go for it. Start slow. Begin with a gentle, soft kiss on the lips. This will give her time to respond and will allow you to gauge her reaction. Listen to her. Pay attention to her response and adjust accordingly. If she seems to be enjoying the kiss, you can gradually increase the intensity, but if she seems uncomfortable, pull back. Create the right atmosphere. Set the mood by ensuring you're in a comfortable and private setting. A quiet and relaxed environment can make the moment more intimate and enjoyable. Communicate. Remember, everyone has different preferences when it comes to kissing, so it's important to communicate and listen to each other. If you're both comfortable with each other, a first kiss can be a beautiful and intimate moment that can bring you closer together.